Today we're gonna make buffalo shrimp, and we have 2 pounds of shrimp that are washed, and we put a teaspoon of lemon juice. We're gonna put half a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
1 tablespoon of green seasoning that we've used in other cooking videos. So we have 2 eggs here and a pinch of salt, and we just mixed it up. 5 tablespoons of flour. We're just gonna dip the shrimp in the egg. Dip it in the flour. Make sure it's nice and covered. Put it on the plate. A whole cup of hot oil, and we're gonna put the shrimp in there. We are finished frying this, and we're gonna add the buffalo sauce. Red hot wings. Really good. Really good shrimp.